Do I have to hire a lawyer after my auto accident in Virginia? Hi, I'm Brian Glass. I'm a Fairfax, Virginia personal injury lawyer, and I negotiate with auto insurance companies and try personal injury cases for a living. Just like you shouldn't ask a barber if you need a haircut, maybe you shouldn't be asking a personal injury lawyer if you need a lawyer. I usually will tell people, listen, if it's a small crash and it's just an emergency room visit, and even if it's just some physical therapy, that's the kind of case that you can usually settle on your own. Don't need a lawyer. And even if you have to hire a lawyer for a physical therapy case, you're going to end up probably in about the same place as you would if you had tried to settle the case on your own. I can tell you there's now one auto insurance company in Virginia that is no longer the case, and that's State Farm. State Farm has enacted a new policy where they are reducing all of the medical costs in any given case to twice the Medicare reimbursement rate, which if you know anything about health insurance and billing, you know that Medicare rates are ridiculously low. In fact, I have a client's Medicare reimbursement right here. A $9,700 trip to the ER, Medicare paid $930. And so State Farm is going to take that cost projection from Medicare and say, well, the $9,700 bill was not appropriate. It should be $1,800. And that's the offer. That's the number that they're going to base their offer on to you as the individual. We haven't gotten many of these cases, these people calling in who have just been in an ER and State Farm is lowballing them in these cases. So I don't know whether they're doing that on all of those cases yet, or if we haven't gotten that call yet. But I would say if State Farm is doing that in every single case, you probably now need a lawyer in order to handle any auto accident case in Virginia with State Farm, which is too bad because for a lot of those cases, I would look at them and tell the client it's not worth my time for just an ER visit. It's not worth the fee that I'm going to earn to take my time away from working on bigger, more complicated cases with serious injuries to work on an quote ER only kind of case. The other problem is even if I get involved, it doesn't guarantee that the decision gets reversed and then they make you a reasonable offer. What we're finding and what we found this month is that we've had to file 4 lawsuits against State Farm drivers in July alone because of this policy. This new policy is going to clog Virginia courts. It's going to take up important judicial time that could be devoted to matters that really need deciding because this issue is clear. And it's starting to overwork my friends at the State Farm Staff Counsel Office who are telling me they now have trials set every single week through August of 2021. And we're sitting here in July of 2020 right now. So their trial calendar is booked up at least for the next 13 months. We think in large part because of this new nonsense policy. And so do you need a lawyer to handle your auto accident case in Virginia? Most of the time you do not. But if it's State Farm, you might.